In primetime news this evening, former MP Joylan Silvera remanded in first court appearance in wife's murder. Can judges bar the media from observing court proceedings? Our legal analyst explains. And Area 2 police say most of the Aracabessa St. Mary lockup escapees have been recaptured.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ, to those of you in the Cayman Islands watching on TVJ International, and those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, the European Union, EU, has supported a number of projects over the years, and they're looking to bring more investment to Jamaica and the wider Caribbean and Latin America. So I'll have the details later on.
And for a preview of what's to come in Primetime Sports, here's Spencer Darlington.
Thank you, Herman. There was a record partnership for the West Indies against Australia in day-night test cricket, and that spared their blood blushes on the opening day of the second test. We'll have more details in Primetime Sports later.
Thank you, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what can be done to improve student performance in reading, math, and science?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.